me so many beautiful memories. The Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and rainy cafe mornings. But the one thing that stayed with me the most was this scrambled egg breakfast. Every morning there just felt so cozy. It was raining most of the time. So we would walk into this cafe and order breakfast, and they would serve these really soft, creamy scrambled eggs. And I don't know why, but I got obsessed with them. They were so simple but so good. Some recipes don't come from cookbooks, they come from memories. Back in Bangalore, the craving stayed with me. So today I am bringing a little Paris inspired breakfast into my own kitchen. For a dish this simple, the quality of eggs really matters. That's why I am using Eggo's eggs, which gives the eggs those rich orange yolks and naturally wholesome taste. What I love is that these eggs come from hens fed a specialized herbal diet. They also go through multiple safety and quality checks. So I know I'm using eggs that are fresh, clean and reliable every day. Now I added 3 eggs in a bowl with little salt and beaten well, and I am adding half cup of milk and beat again. Fresh eggs, a little butter, low heat and patience. The secret to perfect scrambled eggs isn't rushing them. Slow cooking gives you that rich velvety texture I fell in love with in Paris. Eggo's eggs are packed with good nutrition too. High quality protein, vitamin D and omega 3s. Everything you want in a simple everyday breakfast. And honestly, this smells exactly like that hotel breakfast morning. Now I am adding pepper and chili flakes, and with that our scrambled eggs are ready. Just some toasted bread, creamy scrambled eggs, and thick cappuccino on the side. Somehow, this became one of the most comforting breakfasts ever. Simple food, but honestly so good. Paris may be thousands of miles away, but this breakfast brings it right back to me. With good ingredients, simple recipes become unforgettable. Made with Eggo's eggs.